Hello everyone, how are you guys? I already finished the first video tutorial how to install WordPress into your local host using your server, and then now I'm going to explain you about the WordPress dashboard and WordPress all the things in this video tutorial. As I told you guys, this course will be like 1 month course. It will be like almost 30 video, and within 30 video all the video will be like almost half an hour. So if one video is half an hour, you think that you should understand that the course will be like 15 hours course. So I hope within 15-hour course you will learn a lot of things for the basics parts and then also advanced parts. I will help you guys to make a good developer. So let's don't talk, let's go to our website. This is our website, we already know that. So we go to our dashboard. So what we'll do, we'll just know about these things one by one. The first thing is you have to do a few things after install your WordPress. The first thing is you have to do some updates if updates required. For example, I can see here I have downloaded the latest version of WordPress, but still there is updates of maybe something plugin. It's saying that you have an update. So the first thing, if you know after install, if you see that there is some notification about updates, you will just instantly update it. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just first step for our checklist. So we'll just click updates, and then I haven't created any checklist, but I know the checklist because I work almost 1.5 years, so I have experience about these things. Okay, then and then we have a notification here. It's saying like plugins version is 4.0.3 and now update is 4.0.8. So yeah, we have to update because we already start the new development. So just click here, select all, because there is one plugin only, then update plugin. So the plugin will be installed within few seconds. So it is saying that the plugin is installed successfully. So now what's happened? We don't have any notification about updating. So the second thing is we will do what? We will go to settings here. Okay, we'll go to permalinks. This is very necessary to do this first step. So we'll go to permalinks, and then we'll have a look here, and then we'll go down. We'll just click save changes. This is very important to do these steps after install WordPress. Okay, so now my permalinks are updated. What is permalinks? I will tell you one by one. So this permalinks is a URL system. For example, you are accessing your website homepage like by learnwordpress.com, but you will see there is some menus button here like home, about us, service. Like here I can see not here, like this, login, entities. This is like a blog post, but you will see some pages here, home, about us, service, contact us, uh, some some menus. You know what I'm talking. If you don't know, I show you again here. If I go to a website, from any website I go from here, I go to for example, I go to buy chocolate. I go to buy chocolate, I search for chocolate, so I will see some website here. So I just go to this govida.com. So I will see here what I'm talking about. I can, you will see guys also. You see this is the menus, right? Summer, gift, chocolate. Then this is called menus. So this kind of is menu, but this is if you go to these pages, inside the pages, and you click it, this is all pages, but this is a menu, but this link to the pages, right? So we don't have anything here, but I'm just saying if you want to update yours all the pages links, permanent links, then you have to do this. That's why do these things first thing. The second thing is you have to go to your uh, uh, tools. Okay, second things, you have to go to your tools and you have to have a look that your imports things. So if you go to your import option, you will see there is some settings over there. You see, so the first thing is you can see, have a look here into your imports option. You can see you have some recommended plugins, some things here. So you see, if you want to start blogging, you can install your blog, or you can install your blog rock, or if you need some categories things, and then there is a lot of few things here. If you want to do that, you can do that, but we are not doing this now. This kind of things like quite advanced things. not for basic now, because we want to know some basic first. Then once we're ready for the updates, for example, there is something like timber api, rss feed, then we have live journal api. So this kind of is a different things not required now. If we want to do blogging something else, once we become a advanced people, then like once we like know about WordPress, like after maybe after 10 days of this course, you will like quite advanced. So I will explain one by one all the things. And then just I'm just showing you guys. And then the third thing is what you have to do. You have to go to plugins, and you have to know about plugins. So plugins is the things that that helps uh, to help to develop some website things. Like for example, if you have a website, if you want to sell like chocolate, so this chocolate, so you have to use like WooCommerce things to selling chocolates. You have to, there will be option to purchase, right? If you like chose a chocolate from here, from this website, and then if you see there's some chocolate here, if you just select a chocolate from here, okay, this is the one, like this I chose these chocolates. This is the price 32.36. So if you want to add to cart this chocolate, to add to cart for shopping, click add to cart. So I will see that inside my bag, I have now, I click two times, that's why I can see two times. So I can see here two chocolates here. And then if you want to go to bag and then your cart, and you want to check out, you have to check out from you have to buy on the checkout, then you will be have an option to check out, right? And you can check out from here, and you will pay, you will get the chocolate. So in this case, if you need a plugin to develop this kind of thing, that you have to use a plugin to develop this kind of things. Or we will see in this in few website, we see like we have slider. What do I mean by slider? I am showing you guys. This website I think don't have. Okay, let's visit a website. The I can say, okay, the 7 iOS IO theme. This is WordPress theme. I'm just showing you for example, because you have to know this as a developer, because you are getting to the basics. Okay, then um, if you need, if you want to use, for example, there is nothing. So if you want to use a slider here to here, a slider very nice, you have to show some photos, you want to put some information into the slider, then you can use a slider plugin. So in this case, in this website, we have some demos here. Okay, we go to this one. We'll see the slider here. So slider is loading. Okay, okay, you see here, I show you. So you see this thing is come out, right? Like text come out very nicely, and if I click next, I will see another one coming and changing. If I click next, I will see another is coming and changing. This is a slider. This is a slider. So if you want to do this kind of thing, you have to install a slider to do to control, make this slider. And you can also create a very nice looking slider using adding extra slider. And then this is called like plugin to develop. And then the third thing is we have to know about our user. What do I mean by user? The first thing is, if I just now, if I log out from this one, okay, I just log out, and then I will see like, okay, if I want to log in again into the dashboard, I need a username and password, right? But if you are developing this website with your 5 colleague, you are working in a company and you are developing this website with 5 person, it's a teamwork. And then how 5 person will work at a times. So that's the first thing is, they have to they required a login ID and password to access the website, and you also need a separate user ID and password to access the website. So in this case, you need a username, and if you want to create a new user, you want to register a new user for your website. How you will register that? That is the user things, that is that I'm trying to explaining you guys. So now I'm logging to the dashboard again. So how I will register a user? I will go to user here. Okay, I will click all user. to have a look first that how many user is belongs to my website. So when I come to this page, I will see that okay, I have only one user here, this Anisur Rahman, that's me. So now another guy want to register in my website to access. For example, I can say a boy name. For example, Kingsley Tan. He's a guy, or I can say like Vivian Tian. He want to he's my colleague, so he needs a account to access my dashboard, and he want to develop some pages also as we are developing. So what he will do, what I will do, I will create account for him because I am the admin here for her. So I will just click add new here to register, or I can click here from add new. So what I will do, I will click add new. So I will register a user here to log in to this WordPress dashboard, and he can also develop the few pages also, like he will develop contact us page, she will develop contact us page, I will develop about us page, another guy will develop like services pages. This is how a combined work teamwork. So now I will create a username for him, for her. This is the username section is required, so I'll just click username vivian dot tin, and then I will give his email address. I'll say like vivian uh, dot tin @gmail.com, and then I have to, this is not required to put first name last name, but if you put first name last name, it's good that to know that who is the user, and user will be show here, like the name will be show here very nicely. So let's have it write down like here, I will just put his name, first name, last name. It's not required, but I'm just doing it for making quite nice. And then you can put also a website. If Vivian Tian have a own website, maybe she have a website like maybe I don't know, maybe she has like www.viviantian.com maybe. If not, then no need, it's okay. And then the password will be send it to his email, password will be send it to her email. Or if you want to give her a password, you can just say show password, and you will create a password from here. For her, you can just say like ABCDEFG. So this is his password ABCDEFG, and then you say confirm use password. You can, it's up to you whatever password you want to give her. Or if you say no, I don't know, you just click like cancel. What will be happen, automatically WordPress will send a user login information and password to vivian.tian at the gmail address, this address. So in this case, I don't have access to her email address. So what I will do, I'll just because of I'm showing you guys, so I will just like I will just make a password by myself for using it. So I'll just say like ABCDEFG. Okay, then I'll say okay, confirm use password. Then I will just also say like this user information will be sent to the Vivantian also as well. Me, I already know. So what I'll do, that now the thing is rolling. So what will be her role in this website? There is a lot of role. For example, if you work in a company, then there is some rolling system also, like position system, like CEO, COO, and then manager, project manager, and then developer, graphics designer, software engineer. This is the position of people, or their identity, or their qualification. So in this case, this WordPress have an option also to give user to create a, to register a user, and to provide them their selected uh, role. For example, if you want to register a user as a subscriber, you can just give him to a subscriber option, subscriber role. If you want to register a user as an author, you can assign her or him as an author, or editor or administrator. So in this case, he will also develop the website, she will also develop the website. So I will just assign her as a admin. Yeah, I can also editor, but admin, I'm admin. She can also create a few account for another developer also. It's better to have two admin in one website. It's good also. Then you can click admin and then add a user. So what will happen? WordPress will register. Okay, okay. Suddenly what happened? I refresh it. So what will be happen? I think there is some internet problem here. Okay, so what will happen? The WordPress will register a user Vivian into the database, and I can see here there is Vivian user. So what I want to do, if I want to log in and have a look that really I can log in or not, so what I'll do, I'll just log out from here and I'll just have a look. I'll try to have a look that okay I can or not. So I will just type here her account VIVIAN dot TIAN Vivian Tian, and I'll just put her password ABCD. Okay, I'm sorry, ABCDEFG. So it was password as I remember. So then login. If password not incorrect, I will log in successfully. Then see I can log in successfully into the dashboard, and then I can also go to the user and I can have a look there that okay now is Vivian and where is Anis. This is the Anis. So and this is logging as Vivian. So this is how you can create a user if your sister also want to work with you in the same project, or if your friends also want to work with you in the same project, then you can also create a user for them. So this is how we can create a user. And then the last thing is we have to know a little bit about WordPress pages. What is the pages? So we'll just have a look to the pages that pages look like how. So we'll click pages here, and then we'll have a look pages. So you can see there is two pages here. One is privacy policy and one is sample page. So we can have a look how sample page look like. We'll just click view here, how page looks like. Okay, so we'll just click view here. We'll just view the pages. This is called like sample page. So we'll able to see this. So this is the sample page. So the sample pages looks like this. And then the most of the things, the main thing is designing website pages and combine all the pages into menu or into sub menu or whatever system you want to combine using sidebar or menu, sub menu, footer menu. Then you can also use this or link. You have to use a page, and we will use also post. I will explain one by one. So this is the page that looks like. So now we will know how a post look like. We will go to post, click here, and then we'll have a look to a post. There is only one post, is hello world. We'll see how a post look like. So for example, if you want to post any article about anything, you can also use, if you have to use this post to write your article, and people will be able to comment on your article like hi, it was a good article, and then they will just post comment, right? So they will post comment, and then once they will post this comment, we will see that okay, one user Vivian Tian is saying okay it was a good article, or someone said it was a good article. So in this case your user, your active user, if you have a blog website, they will read your blog and they will comment. So this is how WordPress works. And then for this tutorial we almost know lot of basic things. So I think this is enough for today. So I will come with a new tutorial. I will install a theme, and I will start to develop the theme. Okay, free theme, no need to worry. And then I will start to develop the theme. I will teach you guys single I will teach you guys one by one, step by step, then you will be a very good developer. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like my video, and if you want to subscribe my channels for new videos, please subscribe my channels, and don't forget to click after subscription, don't forget to click bell button for notification. So thank you guys for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.